bien, communiquez bien. Il faut faire beaucoup d'efforts.
Si nashukuru mmefanya kazi hii tunaweza kusema ça va de votre honneur nyinyi kama maaskari na honneur ya Burundi. Mtarudi kama tunatengeneza zile medal parade kwa jina la African Union na jina la ATMIS. Mbarikiwe na kazi nzuri ambao mnafanya. To commend the good work that our contingent here in Sector 5 is doing. They are conducting operations. They are conducting a joint operation with the SSF, something we do appreciate too much. They were part of those who were fighting against Al-Shabaab a couple of months ago. We are talking about stabilization, and that stabilization and national reconciliation, ATMIS is playing an important role. Tomorrow, if you leave, but you will leave behind a legacy. But I can assure you that you are doing a very good job. I keep saying that you are doing a very good job. We are here for a good purpose, is to support the Somalis, to protect the civilian, bring peace and security, and this cannot be done if there is no interaction. Even us in the 60s and in 70s.
شباب كيادا فرق كل لا يلوها يا عرجينا اللي يقول يسدون هذول هيرادو